From budget to bougie, here's how we upcycled a basic Christmas wreath 3 different ways with spray paint. For all these looks, we started off by coating the wreath with a spray plastic primer and let it dry. Here we have look 1, a touch of frost. We're using Dulux Duramax in gloss vivid white. Start by spraying on a light coating to the tips to give the wreath a frosted look. We wanted to keep this quite minimal, so don't go too heavy on the spray. We then finish it off with a big gold bow for an elegant yet simple look. Look 2, say it ain't snow, cause it's paint. For this look, we sprayed the whole wreath with Dulux Vivid White Gloss Spray. You may need 1 to 2 coats of this to get a nice full coverage on the wreath. Remember to spray in different angles all around the wreath to ensure you are getting an even coat. Decorate with silver baubles, white ribbon, and white flowers for max wintry Christmas vibes. And our final look, a merry metallic moment. Start by giving the wreath 1 coat of spray primer. You'll need good coverage of the green wreath to ensure the metallic spray pops. We're using Dulux Duramax Bright Finish in the colour Copper Rose. Again, make sure to spray on multiple angles to get an even coverage across the whole wreath. We did 2 coats of the spray colour to achieve our finish. Then it's time to decorate. We used light gold baubles to contrast against the rose gold and added some small wire lights for some extra twinkle. And that's our 3 looks. No matter what your Christmas style is, you can use spray paint to get creative and change up your look every year. Keep an eye out for more Christmas paint projects to come.